Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Cat Simulator. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you put that face with it. Mouse! Mouse! No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Delicious! Wait, how do you break things? How? How do I play? How do I punch things with like Bad Cat from Roblox? Okay, let's look at control. Oh, you don't break it. You just jump and knock things over. I see now. Silly me. Anyway, let's go back. You don't. Alright. Okay, I can't make the screen bigger. Okay. Rat, give me your soul. That's delicious. Rat, give me your soul. Jump, and you knock things off. I'm trying to do a secret strategy. From the side. Oh, so many points! 80 points right there. I glitched out of the game. Okay. I still get lots of points. Just gotta wait out the time. Okay, maybe I. Yeah, I did. So I'm just gonna exit. Okay, I gotta go out. I glitched out of the game now. Back to my feet. Alright. Give me your. Oops, something just rat. Rat. Like that rat life. Rat. Oh, now for stuff. And stuff. Okay, time to go upstairs. Let's see if there's any rats up here. Order rat. Why is it